Okay, so now I'm going to look at circuit 2. It says put the resistor back to 10 ohms and put the light back in, but put another resistor between the resistor and the light. So let me go to my thing here. All right, it says put the resistor back to 10 and put the light back in. So you're going to snip it here and then put the light bulb back in. But put another resistor between the resistor and the light. So we're going to add two resistors here. So I'm going to cut it here and add a resistor right there and put the light bulb. Okay, so now we have two resistors. Make sure both are 10 ohms. So that one's 10 and that one is 10 also. Check the current. Okay, so there's the current is 0.83. What do you notice specifically? Okay, if you have a 6-volt battery and a single light that has a 20 ohm resistor, find the current in the circuit. So now it says a 6-volt battery, so I'm going to change this. Okay, and a single light. Here's a single light. That has 20 ohms resistor. Okay, find the current in the circuit. All right, so there you go. And what is the voltage across the light? So then you can okay. If you put another identical light in series, what is the total resistance? So you can go back and cut this here and put another light bulb. Whoa, that just turned into a hot mess. Okay, there we go. Something is not, let's see. I don't know why it's not standing up. Okay, there we go. Okay, so then you can see it says what is the total resistance. So, oops. There you go. And so the total resistance, well, if I made them both, it says to be identical, so I want this one to be 20 as well. So the total resistance here would be 20 plus 20, which is 40. What is the current through the first light? You can see 0.15. What is the current through the second light? 0.15. What is the voltage drop across the light? So then you can do the voltage there. If you make a second light 40 ohms, second one I want to make, oops, let me get that out of there. Okay, second one I want to make 40. Okay, what is the total resistance? So 20 plus 40 is 60. What is the current through the first light? You can see there. What is the current through the second light? You can see that there. What is the voltage drop across the first light? You can do that using the volt. There you go. And then it says, what is the voltage drop across the second light? There you go. And then both, and then you should be able to answer the other questions that are listed there. Good luck.